Hi pretty ladies, so welcome to episode 4 of One Stone at a Time. Today we're discussing tourmaline. Do you know that tourmaline is Nigeria's most celebrated gemstones, pulled up by hand from hundreds of mining pits across Oyo State and beyond? It ranges from different colors, from deep red to raspberry pink to a rare electric blue-green. It's the most abundant sought after stone in West Africa, and yet most of its story goes untold. This episode is about more than where the stone comes from. It's about what it means to carry it. Adornment is not vanity. It's language, and when you place a stone on your body, you're saying something about who you are without speaking a word. Tourmaline with all its colors speaks to the beauty of being many things at once. From a cufflink on a wrist or a bracelet against your skin. Because the right stone doesn't just sit on you, it speaks for you.